So I thought I might take a minute to show you how to test a coffee pot like this. This particular one is made by Sunbeam. These were introduced in about the 1940s. I think this one is a little bit later, and it is a two-part system that uses vacuum pressure to brew coffee. So you've got these two canisters. This one is where you put the water. This one is where you put the coffee grinds or grounds, depending on how you want to say it. I don't know why I said grinds. I've always said grounds, but whatever. Let me plug this in. So I've already got about 4 ounces or 4 cups of water. And this is where I'm going to struggle, is getting it apart when it's hot. But there's water in here, and then there's this rubber gasket that fits down in there. And I'm going to take my coffee, and just put that right in the top. Now there is a gasket, a filter in the top here that I will show you. Not now, because I've already put coffee in. But it's sitting right here. And it will keep the coffee grounds from going into the bottom. So what this is going to do is it's going to make the water hot. That is going to force the water up into this pot where it will mix with the coffee. And then it will drain back out into this reservoir, and that's where you're going to drink your coffee from. So we're going to put this on high. Plug it in. I can get it in. I start a fire here in my house. There we go. And we'll see what happens. If you can hear it now, it's taken about 3 minutes to start to heat up enough that it is making the water, it's hot now. I want to start pushing up into the top. What I will tell you is when this pot is done brewing, this switch will kick from high to low. And that way you know it's done. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it is actually pushing that water up. There we go. And this works pretty much the same, using the same technology as those Italian mocha pots. The only thing that worries me is getting the top pot off the bottom pot without scalding myself. However, if I do, we'll leave that footage in. This is a really beautiful pot. I love the lines on this. I almost want to keep it, and I'm only retesting it again because it's been about a year since I had this and a customer has asked me about it. So we just kicked from high to low, and as soon as that completely stops, we'll commence taking the top off. Okay, let's put a coffee cup here. Sounds like it's starting to slow down a little bit. All in all, it's taken about 6 minutes to make this coffee so far. The emergency room visit will take a lot more time, I'm sure. All right, sounds like we're about there. There's actually... goes. You know, I try to be transparent about stuff. Well, I'm gonna be transparent this time too. Yours truly is kind of an idiot, and I don't know why, but this has a second plug in it that clearly we don't need. All right. Okay, so it wasn't as hard to take off, and it might just be because it's hot. So let me let that drip a little bit, and hopefully you can see in there. There are the grounds. Set that in the sink so I can clearly I'm not going to drink this coffee since I boiled it with another cord. I don't even know why there's another cord in there, but maybe you do have to have that out to pour. Ouch. I will tell you, this coffee smells amazing. Amazing. It smells really, really good. It's really dark. I may not have put enough water in it, but there we go. That is how you use one of these pots. Please remove the cords. I don't know why there are two. I'm still perplexed as to why there are two cords. But anyway, I thought I would share this with you since I had to test it anyway, and this isn't very common to see these. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you the next time.